Hello good people, and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to encrypt and require a password to open workbooks in Excel. So in this current workbook, I want users to put in a password before they can access the content. Now to do this, you can go to File. Now under File, you can choose Info. Under Info, you see the option to protect workbook. Now when you drop it down, you see options here, but we are going to use encrypt with password. Now this requires you to put in a password. Please ensure you remember this password. If you lose it, you may not be able to recover your workbook. So I'll put in my password. It will ask for confirmation, and then you click OK. So this will now alert me that this is now protected. Now let me close this and save it. Now I'll attempt to open the same file. So now when the file opens, I'm now required to put in a password. So I'll now put in my password and I get access to the content. If you want to remove this password, you could go back to the same place, File, Info, Protect Workbook, Encrypt with Password, and simply delete the password and click OK. It resets and you are back to your normal workbook. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list. We send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. All our old videos are on our YouTube channel. Please visit and click subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching.